Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca.
I wish I was the water authority. I would authorize the water to come back in the form of some rainfall, but unfortunately we just don't have any of that in the forecast. And some in Northern California, I think, later on this week, which is some good news for folks there. But outside of some drizzle here, I don't expect much. So live look from CARMEL right now. We see a few high clouds passing through, but absent are the thick low clouds that tend to drizzle on us from time to time, which we could take right about now. Although temperature-wise, it almost feels like those clouds are around. We're in the low 60s around the bay. A few spots even cooler, and not too bad in Santa Cruz at 70. Inland, not that much warmer. It is a cool air mass today under that big area of low pressure that has been moving its way across the west coast. This is a look just a few moments ago. Another one, this one from Fremont Peak looking over toward Hollister. You can see a few more high clouds passing through. We'll see a few clouds tonight under partly cloudy skies. That sun goes down at around 8:30 or so. We'll see those temperatures drop into the 50s. So a cool evening out there with this cool air mass. And a few low clouds expected to redevelop in a patchy sense around the bay and into the coastal hills overnight. They may fill into some of our farther inland valleys as well. I consider it just partly cloudy overnight now. Don't expect full cloud coverage. Then tomorrow afternoon, like we saw today, a few patchy clouds over the hills, kind of puffy little cumulus clouds like little cotton balls up there as the air is slightly unstable with that area of low pressure off to our north. With that said, tomorrow night, the clouds should thicken up a little bit along the coast, and we may pull just a touch of drizzle out of it in a few spots, but I don't expect it to be widespread. Tomorrow's temperatures may actually be the coolest of the week and probably the coolest we've seen in a couple weeks. Let's take a look at some readings for you tomorrow. 70 in Ben Lomond doesn't sound too bad, but that's about 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. That upper 60 in Santa Cruz, also almost 10 degrees below normal. So we're feeling a little chilly out there, but not bad, I suppose. A little cold up top, 60 your high in the Dune tomorrow afternoon. Over to Watsonville, coming back at you at 67 degrees, mid-60s in Salinas, upper 60s Hollister, get to around 70 in Gilroy, but back toward the Bay Shore, going to stay in those low 60s. Over to Monterey and the peninsula and vicinity, high temperatures in the low 60s tomorrow. We'll have a bit of a breeze off the water times, may feel a little chilly, although you'll see scattered sunshine throughout the day. Farther south, not all that hot anywhere, and in fact, kind of cold in the morning. Pinnacles down to 37 overnight, 38 in the San Antonio Valley, with highs only returning into the low 70s and 60s for the rest of the Salinas Valley. So over the next 7 days, temperatures heading back up. So tomorrow, probably the coolest of the next 7, both on the coast here, and you'll see in a moment on that inland forecast. The winds will be around for the next couple of days as that low passes over and skies will remain partly cloudy. Temperatures, though, will be seasonable to slightly warm Friday and Saturday, and our low temperatures will get warmer as well as a slightly more moist air mass returns, and that may lead to some more fog. I'm going to watch that as we head into the weekend. Inland areas also the coldest tomorrow by quite a bit. I mean, almost 10 degrees below normal, but by the time we get to Friday, highs will be back above normal, and we'll stay that way through the weekend. Of course, expect those winds to blow in the valleys during the afternoons, and skies remain partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Stay with us. We're back after this.